Alright guys, quick unboxing of the Apple Watch Ultra 2 in Satin Black. Let's do it. Beautiful dark casing. There it is. Apple Watch Ultra 2 Satin Black with the black trail loop. Always a beautiful unboxing. When it comes to the Apple Watch Ultra, it kind of makes you not want to throw it away, almost. This booklet of all the different bands, telling you how to use the Apple Watch, etc., etc. All the exclusive Apple Watch apps, compass app, waypoints, backtrack. I've always been curious. I always wanted the black color for the Ultra. Right now I'm rocking the natural titanium right now. And I've always wanted the black color, so shake. Alright, here we go. Another dark gray. Surprised everything's not jet black. Alright. Apple Watch Ultra 2 in Satin Black. Now I forget the technical terms that they used to describe the Apple Watch Ultra 2, but they basically set the coating on here. They put like an extra coating on here, and I forgot the name of it. I might just put the words on the video, but it's an extra layer of coating when they added the black color on here. That's supposed to make it more durable than the Ultra 2-in-1 regular natural titanium. So the coating on here should be more scratch resistant, which is great because this isn't a natural titanium color, obviously. So if it gets banged up and whatnot, the natural titanium will show because this is a black coating on natural titanium. So yeah, it looks good. I like the way it looks on film. Yeah, it's pretty good. I like it. I like the darkness of it. It goes great with the black iPhone. So they look good together, I think. I think they look pretty good together. Black iPhone, black Apple Watch, black bracelet. Gonna have a black band. Soon to be black wedding ring. All black everything over here. Alright, so I wanna power this on. I'm gonna power this on. Little Apple logo. And then we're going to unbox the loop right here. I did get a special band for this watch, similar to my Spigen band right here. So, yeah. Here it is, the black loop. Comes out pretty nice. Here it is, the black loop. Pretty black. It's not pure black right here. You do see a little orange specks here, but it feels really smooth. Feels really, really smooth. Alright, so we're going to put our iPhone next to the Apple Watch. So hopefully it will pair. There it is. Continue Apple Watch. It even shows that the animation shows that it's a satin black Apple Watch, which is pretty cool. Set up for myself. And then we're going to do a little classic setup here. Alright, and we're good. Store from backup. I did get the Spigen Apple Watch band to kind of go with the all black everything. I did get the all black trail loop. However, if I want to go for a more aesthetically pleasing look, I did get this Spigen rugged band. It's like the Duo Pro, but it is the only, I mean, I wish I could find a Spigen band that had this black titanium. Maybe Spigen will come out with it now that there's a Black Ultra 2. Maybe Spigen will come out with a black version of this. However, they don't have it, and this is the next best thing I could find. Not the same as classy aesthetics as this. I will miss this look nonetheless, but some manufacturer will come up with something similar, I'm sure. So, all right, to wrap up, this came in the box as well. Charging cable. So here's the black titanium. I had to don't recommend the Spigen case. I'll show it to you. Don't recommend it. I did initially put the band on backwards, don't judge me. However, due to the rubber parts of it, like how the connector here is metal or titanium or whatever, it slides right in. This one's compatible with all types of different sizes, apparently. But when I slid it in, the rubber was so tightly packed into it, even backwards, I had to really like yank it, and I was really worried about scuffing the Apple Watch. Even though it has that really durable coating, I really put it through the test, and thankfully didn't nick anything with my efforts.
These screws are black, but along with the
sapphire glass here is good, durable, collecting dust. So yeah, this black watch probably will collect a lot of dirt, but I like the black band. It's comfortable. Can adjust the tightness of it, make it a little loosey, whatnot. But yeah, I wasn't able to restore from the current state my titanium watch is in, because it's in watchOS 11.1. So, and this is only on watchOS 11, but it's fine. So yeah, here's the Satin Black. Looks good. There's my impressions on it. That it looks pretty sleek. I like that it goes with my black phone. Doing a really black aesthetic this year, all black everything. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Did you get the Apple Watch Ultra 2 in Satin Black? Did you get the Series 10 with the 46mm black, jet black aluminum? Let me know in the comments below. Stream Tech Reviews. I will be back with a later review of this watch. Put it through after a week. We'll see how much, if it gets any scuffs with the black color. Gonna be trading this in here pretty soon. I'm gonna miss this aesthetic look. I really did like this band. It's a nice little leather band. Good for working out, classy, dressing up. So hopefully I can find a band similar to this with the black watch to keep that aesthetic. Now, compared to other videos, seeing the Series 10, it did look a lot classier with the screen, but this is okay. It looks like a giant computer still, but it's fine. I do wish I kind of got the slate. The slate from other videos does look like it's black as well from different angles. However, this comes with the 36-hour battery life, and unfortunately Series 10, despite the bigger screen, is still 18 hours of battery life, which is trash. So, I mean, it's not trash, but 10 years of 18 hours battery life is getting kind of old. Apple, I'm sure, doesn't want to increase the battery life to compete with the Ultra, so it's whatever. But yeah, this is my first take and impressions. I like it. It's a good look. I'm excited. Glad to finally have the Ultra in black. And it still can look pretty aesthetically pleasing if I choose like a different classy watch face. So I'm gonna stop talking. Subscribe if you haven't already, please. Helps the channel grow. And peace.